What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we got a little something special. I told you last video, I got a package sent to me by Acuity. Shout out Powin, shout out Russ. Really excited to show you guys. I'm sure you guys already know what it is based on the box and everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. All right, guys, bear with me. So I left my tripod at a friend's house, so I'm kind of just doing this one-handed, so bear with me. But yeah, shout out to Acuity, man. I mean, they make some really good products. I actually was introduced to them when I had my 9th gen back in the day. For those of you who do not remember or don't know, I did have a 2015 Civic Si Coupe, and they had sent me over a cold air intake to actually make a video on as well. Excuse me while I not cut myself. Give me a second here, guys. Very familiar with their products. I just want to show you guys the quality of their stuff. This will be a first time I'm actually seeing it as well. Here it is. The Acuity 3-way adjustable performance shifter for the 8th gen Honda Civic. Now, I know they make another 1-way adjustable shifter as well. You can actually just set the throw, I believe. But the 3-way, you can actually fine tune. Definitely a lot more adjustability in the 3-way. If price is an issue and you guys are on a budget, definitely do the 1-way. It just depends on what you guys prefer. So yeah, let's take this thing out. So it looks like we got a couple other things here. They did send me a shift knob. I believe this is the ESCO shift knob. So they do have different shift knobs, guys. This being the ESCO, this is the taller one. And I believe the other one was like a ball or like a shorter one. So we'll go ahead and check this out in a second, see what else other goodies are in here. So the charm ring and the actual charm, yeah, this is the charm right here. So plus 5 horsepower. The charm ring and the charm sit around the base of the shift knob, and I'll probably go into depth with that probably in the install to the shifter. So here we got a couple stickers here. We got a keychain, and we have, looks like we got an FK8, and then we have the new Civic Si, which I don't really know the chassis name yet, but man. And then we also have an air freshener. So this was the cold air intake that I got from my 9th gen. Yeah, and then they have like PDF install guides and video guides on YouTube, so you guys can definitely go check that out. Let's go ahead and unbox the stuff. So starting off, we're gonna open up the shift knob. So like I said, I got the ESCO shift knob. And I like a taller shift knob just because I feel like it's easier to grab onto versus like a shorter one. Oh, check that out. It does come with a little locking nut, I believe, for the bottom. And even comes with another sticker. Nice. See? These guys know what they're doing, man. Just adding extra stuff, man. It comes in this nice bag here. Really, really cool touch. I like how they just didn't just throw it in there with like some brown paper bag or something. Not bad. It's definitely got some weight to it. I like the kind of like semi-gloss black. I don't know, like I like subtle stuff. I don't really like a lot of colors. I know they have a red, purple, and some other colors on their website. I'll go ahead and post a couple pictures up so you guys can see the different styles and stuff like that. All right, next up we have the charm. So this actually sits under the shift knob. I know there's a specific type of way that you need to install this charm. So this is the ring here. Sits in between like so you have the shifter here, and I believe the charm should be sticking out towards you. So that way when you grab onto the shifter, it's not catching onto anything. So I'll be doing an install video soon, so definitely stay tuned. All right, now and for the main attraction, we have the 3-way adjustable performance short shifter for the 8th gen Civic Si. I mean, judging by the pictures and all the videos and stuff, this thing looks beautiful. All right, so I got you guys set up on the box over there. Like I said, excuse me, I don't have my tripod on me. But yeah, we'll go ahead and open up this shifter here. See what this is all about. Just give my honest opinion on it. We got more peanuts. Take all of these out. Damn, this thing is beautiful. And I like how it has the peanuts and the plastic bag. It's not just thrown into the box. Nice packaging on that, guys. Man, this thing is freaking gorgeous, man. Look at this. I love the color scheme. It's like a black anodized material, and it has like some aluminum finish to it. And I think this will tie really nice with my interior. And I'm gonna shoot some B-roll shots for you guys for this, but man, this is crazy. Let's see what else we have in the box here, because I see some other things as well. Don't wanna scratch this. All right, looks like we have some hardware here. It looks like it's gonna be our mounting Allen bolts to the chassis. And looks like we have like an extra piece there for something. I'm sure that will come into play. And we also have the shift rod here in this interesting packaging here. And it even shows you guys like the settings from 1 to 5, which is really, really cool. Definitely got some weight to it. And overall first impressions, I love it. I love the design of it. I love how there's writing and it shows your adjustment. So actually on the shifter, it'll show you your gate adjustment right there, your height adjustment on the side, and then you have your throw, which is here on the bottom. Yeah, your shift rod goes into the top here. Yeah, the height adjustment here. So there's definitely a bolt that goes in there. I'm assuming that's what that little locking key is for. I really like the aluminum touch with the anodized black and the hits of white. I believe the design, I think, is based off of like some F1 inspiration as well. Yeah, man, this is, wow, this is gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think of the shifter. I really, really like it a lot. We're gonna do an install and kind of like a little bit of some driving around so that way you guys can see how the shifts are, and I'm gonna try to get some good angles in the car with the GoPro. But super excited for this video, guys. Comment down below if you guys are getting this. Hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing video. I'm gonna be doing the install in the next one, so definitely stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss it. Hit the post notifications bell. Hit the like button if you guys liked the video. If you guys didn't like the video, well, you guys can dislike it, whatever. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.